1965 Chevrolet Malibu Sport Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 327 small block Chevy power, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. Bumper looks good, grille, headlight surrounds. Has had a repaint to white exterior with the black vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, the underside, interior, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Michelin radials. Krager SS chrome wheels for that classic look. You'll notice disc brakes up front. And this does have new pads up front, so 100% of the brakes up front, 90% on the rear is what the techs noted. It also has new rear wheel cylinders, complete dual exhaust. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches from what I've seen. Has a nice shine to it. You may find a small imperfection here or there. The car has been driven. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Here's that black vinyl interior. Bucket seats up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. And remember, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. There you get a good look from the rear to the front, how nice and straight those panels are. And again, paint has a nice shine to it. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good, as well as the rest of the bright work and trim around the trunk lid and tail lights. You do notice some Malibu SS badging on this, not representing it as an SS. You'll be able to decode the cowl tag if you would like. That's in the still pictures. This would be considered a sport coupe or two-door hardtop. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you look at the underside, you're going to see 12-bolt rear end. This was originally a Texas car. There's also a folder of receipts, some miscellaneous paperwork that will go along with this car also. If you like these mid-60s, maybe late 60s, getting into that muscle car era, if you like those, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see up and down the driver's side also. Paint showing well. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Start it up. We can take a peek underneath the hood. So you can see rear seats, nice shape and vinyl. Speakers on the deck lid. Front bucket, seat belts intact up front. Let's take a little closer look. We have a tack in the center here. See, that is working. That aftermarket cluster gauge is down below. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the water temp gauge to be up there at all. Voltmeter working, oil pressure. Top of the dash looking good. All that headliner, nice shape. Hey, listen to that. Nice little rumble coming out of that 327 small block Chev power. Let's go take a peek underneath the engine bay. I think we should probably do that, see how it looks. And remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Also nice and clean and tidy. And how about that engine bay? There is a picture of the data plate or cowl tag right there in the still pics. Looks like newer master cylinder, brake booster. Got some nice chrome dress up underneath there. That dual snorkel air cleaner. There was a Holley 4-barrel on there. Aluminum radiator, and then you can see battery disconnect or shut off right there. Nice tidy engine bay. Won't be ashamed to have your hood open at a car show with this one. Like I said, nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. 2-door hardtop or sport coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. Looking good in a white with black interior. Of course, those chrome accents from 1965. This is a 4 on the floor manual transmission. Strong running car. More power than I expected, honestly. With a 4-speed, it is fun. We've got a water temperature gauge down below the dash reading about 150. Still warming up. The volts are over 14. The oil pressure just over 60. This is a factory gauge car. Some of those gauges are showing readings, some are not. But under the dash we've got our gauges that we need. The fuel gauge is showing over half a tank. That's the factory gauge. Factory tachometer right in the middle. That might be a rare option. Is working as it should. Speedometer to the left also working. Wipers function on this car. Nice vinyl bucket seats in this car and a center console for that manual transmission shifter. Brakes are working as they should. Nice idle to this car. Smooth running car. Corners as it should for a 65 Chevelle. Yeah, you get the RPMs up just a little bit and the tires will chirp. This car is a lot of fun. Plenty of room in that back seat to bring the family with you. Go on a cruise, go to a show. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.